This is our first in a whole series of videos on ecology, Introduction to Global Systems. We're going to talk about why is ecology important, the methods that are used to study ecology, how biotic and abiotic factors influence an ecosystem. Also talk about how we can understand global systems and the changes that they undergo. Ecology is the scientific study of the interaction among organisms and between organisms and their physical environment. We can study ecology at a variety of different organizational levels. The first level is the level of the species, a group of similar organisms that can breed and produce fertile offspring. We can also look at populations, a group of individuals of the same species that live in the same area. Communities are all the populations that live in the same area, all the living things in that area. And ecosystems are all the living and non-living parts of the environment. And that leads us to biomes, are a group of ecosystems that share similar climates and types of organisms, like grasslands and so forth. And the biosphere, all the living and non-living things on Earth. So how do ecologists gather data? Through observation, obviously. That's how all scientists gather data. Through experimentation, primarily with field studies, not lab studies, though. Modeling, there's a lot of modeling of systems where we can make predictions about how the system will change based on various changes that are going on. So the environment are the biotic and abiotic factors. So biotic factors are the living parts of the environment. Bio means life. The abiotic factors are the non-living parts, the precipitation, the temperature, the climate things, the geography, and so on. So like I said, biotic factors are the living parts, the plants, animals, etc. Abiotic are the non-living parts, types of soil, water, etc. So there are 4 global systems on Earth that are constantly interacting. And this graphic is one we're going to look at throughout our study of ecology. So the 4 systems are the biosphere, which are the living parts, the atmosphere, which is the air above the surface, the hydrosphere, which is the water, and the geosphere, which is the land. And as things change in one system, it affects other systems and causes global change. So a change in the atmosphere can have a change in the biosphere as well as the hydrosphere and the geosphere. So the way we study global systems is by looking at models.